Hello, today you will learn simple ways to invest in real estate. Traditionally, real estate investing has been limited to investors with a lot of money and the ability to get approved for big loans. But things are changing, and it could mean good news for you. If you're wondering how to invest in real estate without the normal headaches and large capital requirements of traditional real estate investing, these two real estate apps might be right for you, and you only need $10 to get started. Earn passive income by investing in real estate. Imagine getting a check in the mail every few months for just holding a little bit of money in an account. Sounds amazing, right? With Fundrise, an investment of as little as $10 can start earning you passive income through quarterly distributions. You'll get to invest in some of the hottest real estate deals without the headaches that come with being a landlord. The investments to come with risk. Fundrise has paid distributions every quarter since at least Q2 2016. But your payment is never guaranteed. For the service, you'll pay a 0.85% annual asset management fee and a 0.15% annual investment advisory fee. Invest in real estate like the 1% starting with $10. 4 out of 5 millionaires make their fortunes with real estate. And while this type of investment used to be limited to people with tons of money and an in on the system, Happy Nest is changing that. Now you can get in on this investment starting with as little as $10. Happy Nest collects rent from tenants like well-known Fortune 100 companies and passes a piece of the profits back to you in the form of dividends. All you need to do is open your account, start investing, and you may see your money grow while helping diversify your portfolio. Invest in rental homes with just $100. Rental homes can be a great path to passive income. And according to Arrived, investing in single-family homes has actually outperformed the S&P 500 over the last 20 years. But while rental homes can be an attractive investment, they ain't easy to buy. To buy even one property, you first have to painstakingly find a good deal on a home, then take out a mortgage, then get tenants in, manage those tenants, maintain the property. You get the idea. Instead of buying full-on properties, you buy shares of them. You get to earn your portion of rental income and potential appreciation, and they take care of everything else, like tenants and maintenance. Build passive income by investing in real estate ETFs. Imagine earning passive income every month just by holding a little bit of money in an account. Sounds amazing, right? With Stash, you can invest in real estate-related ETFs, exchange-traded funds, like Real Estate Tycoon, Real Estate of the Union, iShares US Real Estate ETF, and more. These ETFs are like buckets that hold stocks, bonds, and other assets in the real estate sector. But if those assets ever pay a dividend, there's a possibility that you could earn money while you sleep. And with fractional shares, you could get a piece of some of the hottest real estate deals in these ETFs without being a millionaire. Normally a single share of these ETFs could cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, but you only need as little as $5 to get started with Stash. It's an affordable way to invest in real estate and start building passive income. Thank you and hope you have learned watching with these 4 simple ways to make money with real estate. Please like and subscribe below for more amazing ways to learn about finance.